Are you having problems with your Venmo request not showing up and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually fix this issue. Because me, myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just actually close your Venmo app, and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So just go into your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now on this page, what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down just a little bit until you can find where it says general. So click on general in here, as you can see, and now you should be taken to this page right here. So now on this page, what you're going to do, you're just going to scroll down a little bit until you can find where it says storage, as you can see. So click on storage. And by the way, this might take a couple of seconds, maybe even a couple of minutes for some of you to completely load this page right here. So don't worry if this one takes a little bit of time. For me, it's instant, as you can see, and that's because I've already before loaded it basically. So now we're just going to scroll down and find Venmo in here. So I'm just going to scroll down and then click on the Venmo app in here. So what you're going to do in here is to just click on upload app, and then once again click on upload app, as you can see, and you're going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. And now you might wonder, why do you have to do this? And that's a great question. Basically, the reason why you need to do exactly like I showed you right now is because you will be able to actually auto update your app to the latest version. So you're going to update your Venmo app to the absolute latest version. It's going to take a couple of seconds, and then you can just go back into your Venmo app and try again. And I hope that this will be able to fix this issue for you.